Hi class. This week we learned signs for animals and colors. If you want to sign the sign for animal, then you just take your hands, I just signed it, but I'll take your hands and put it on your shoulders and kind of move it down like that, animal. Pet, if you want to sign about your pet, I have a pet cat. A lot of you had dogs, so with a dog, you snap your fingers and slap your leg. I think I just signed cat, but it's like you have whiskers. And some of you said you had birds. You take your pointer finger and your thumb and you kind of pinch them together, so bird. Frog, you bounce your two fingers, your V hand, under your chin. I heard at least one person say they had a pet frog. Fish, some of you said you had fish. You can either do like this or you can kind of do like this. I've seen it done both ways. I heard someone say they had a pet rabbit, which is fun. I've always wanted a pet rabbit. So I guess it's kind of like the teeth. Heard one person say they had a squirrel, and that's to take your B hands and you kind of bend them like teeth, like gnawing. Okay, so if we want to do some farm animals, a horse is you put your hand near your temple and you bend your fingers, your two fingers here, that's horse. Cow is similar, it has a Y hand instead. If we want to do the sign for duck, it's kind of like the sign for bird, but it's two hands, and that just kind of reminds me of a bigger bill. So that's a duck. Pig is similar to the sign for dirty. So dirty is like this, pig is like this. So because pigs are usually dirty. Sheep, and you take your K hand, it's like you're shearing sheep. And then just a few zoo animals. Z-O-O is the sign for zoo. You can spell zoo, you can sign that. If you want to sign the sign for elephants, then that's like this. It's like you have a trunk. Monkey is like you would sign monkey. I guess it's kind of lower. You maybe can't see monkey. If we want to sign lion, it's like you have a mane. Like you're combing your mane almost. Zebra, remember a zebra has stripes, so it's kind of like this. So that's all the animal signs we learned. We also learned some colors. This is the sign for color. You just wiggle your four fingers here. If you want to do red, you take your finger to basically your lips and just kind of bend it down like that. Red. Orange, you squeeze your O hand, like I guess kind of like you would squeeze an orange for orange juice maybe. Yellow. A lot of signs for the colors, you shake the letter. So Y starts with yellow starts with a Y, so you shake the Y hand. Green is the same, it starts with a G, so you shake the G hand. Blue starts with a B, so you shake the blue hand, or the B hand. P is for purple, so you shake the sign for P for purple. Okay, so yellow, green, blue, and purple are all like that. With pink, it's kind of like red. You take your P hand and rub it on from your lip to your chin, just like with red. Black is you take your forefinger, your pointer finger, on your eyebrow, and you kind of brush it like that. Black. White is like you're grabbing your shirt, or somebody said like you're pulling an octopus off of you. Brown is like it's a B hand, and you kind of brush it on your face. And then gold and silver. So gold is kind of like a long earring. That's what I said. So gold, and then silver is the same. It ends in an S. So that's silver. And those are all the signs we learned today. We signed brown bear with the class, and that was really fun. And hopefully they will be able to sign most of that at home, if not all of it. So if you have that book, you can practice it. And other than that, we'll see you next week. Bye.